Children, today we are going to continue the lesson, The Animal Kingdom. In the previous class, we have learnt about different animal groups, different animal behavior, and definitions for habitat and adaptations. We have also learnt the definitions of migration, hibernation, estivation, and different classifications of animals based on their habitat. Hope you all studied well. Today we are going to continue the third topic, habitat and adaptations. Based on the habitat, animals are classified into terrestrial animals or land animals. Example, herbivores are grass-eating animals. Carnivores are flesh-eating animals, otherwise hunting animals. We have also taken camels, polar bears and snakes to study their adaptations. And squirrels and monkeys are arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are animals which live on trees. Aquatic animals are water animals. Examples, fishes, marine mammals like whales and dolphins, and aquatic birds like duck. Marine mammals, they have lungs to breathe under the water. These two animals come out of the water to take short breath from the atmospheric air. Amphibians are the animals which live on land and also in water. Example, frogs, toads and salamander. Pronunciate again, salamander. Toads are frog-like animals, you all know that. And salamanders are the animals appear like a lizard. They have long slender body with moist skin. They live underwater and also in land. Salamander. Then aerial animals. Aerial animals are flying birds. Now let us learn adaptive features of some terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are the animals which live on land. Examples are tiger, lion, cow, sheep, elephant, bears, etc. The adaptive feature of terrestrial animals are they have strong feet to walk and run, and they have a pair of lungs to breathe atmospheric oxygen. In a respiratory system, we have a pair of lungs, right lung and left lung. In singular, we call it as lung. In plural, it is called lungs. Terrestrial animals are further classified into herbivores and carnivores. Herbivores are grass-eating animals. They feed only on plants. Their teeth are suited to cut and chew the grass or plants. Most of the herbivores chew their cud. Also, some of the herbivores have some special adaptive features. Elephants have long trunk to lift heavy loads and also for the defense. Giraffes have long neck to feed on leaves on tree branches. Cows and buffaloes have horns for their defense. Also, the hoofs present in grass-eating animals protect their legs. Carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals have strong, sharp teeth to tear flesh. Example, lion, tiger and other flesh-eating animals have strong teeth to tear flesh. Carnivorous birds like eagles and owls have strong beaks and sharp claws for hunting. Then camels. Camels have thick skin to protect them from the hot climate of desert, and they have hump to store fat. As fat is needed for their nourishment, the hump of camel stores fat. See, the raised area in the camel's body at their back is called hump. Camels have thick skin to protect their body from desert heat, and they have hump to store fat. Fat is needed for their nourishment, and camels can live without food for several days. Snakes. Even though snake is a land animal, they do not have legs. Then how they move inland? Snakes have scales covered all over their body. This helps them to crawl on the land. So snakes moves with the help of scales. Then polar bears. Polar bears are present in North Pole. They have thick fur which protects them from cold winter. Fur means short hairs on the skin. Amphibians. Amphibians are the animals which live on land and also in water. Examples: frogs, toads, salamanders. These animals breathe through lungs on land, and they breathe through moist skin when they are in water. Young ones of these animals have gills to breathe. They disappear when they become adult. Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are the animals which live on trees. Animals like monkeys and squirrels, they spend most of their time on trees. They also have long limbs and long tails to cling on the trees. They have slim body and sharp teeth to nibble fruits and nuts. Aquatic animals. They are the animals which live in water. Example: fishes, marine mammals like whales and dolphins, turtles, aquatic birds like ducks and swans. Fishes. Fishes have streamlined body and fins to swim across the water waves. Streamlined body means boat-shaped body like this. This helps the fishes to move easily in the water. Fishes breathe through gills. But marine mammals like dolphins and whales breathe through lungs. As like human beings and other terrestrial animals, marine mammals like dolphins and whales breathe through lungs. They come out of the water to take short breath, and they inhale atmospheric oxygen. Aquatic birds have long legs to wade through water. Example: cranes and flamingos. Some birds like ducks and swans, they have webbed feet to swim across the water. Also, the aquatic birds have long beaks to catch fishes. Then, aerial animals. Aerial animals are the animals which spend most of their time in air. Most birds fly. They have light, streamlined bodies with hollow bones filled with air. This streamlined body and hollow bones filled with air help them to fly in the air. They have a pair of wings to fly, and feathers protect their body from cold or any other climate. Now we have learnt about terrestrial animals, their adaptations, amphibians or land and water animals, their adaptations, arboreal animals, aquatic animals, aerial animals, and their adaptive features. See, gills. Gills are the breathing organ of fishes. Where the gill present? At the side of their body, they have fins. Near the fins, they have gills arranged like this. Fins and gills are the adaptive features of aquatic animals. That's all about today's class, children. So, in this lesson, we have learnt about animal groups. Animals live in groups in search of food, water, shelter, to raise their young ones, to protect their families from enemies. Different animal groups are referred as pack of wolves, colony of ants, pride of lions, school of fishes, and so on. Same way, shy animals, friendly animals, social animals, mutual helpers, and wild animals are the sum of the animal behavior. And we have seen different habitats of animals: terrestrial habitat, arboreal habitat, aquatic habitat, amphibians, and aerial animals. Then we have seen the adaptive features of different animals. Terrestrial animals have limbs, lungs, teeth, horns, and fur. Then arboreal animals have long limbs, sharp teeth, and tails to cling on the trees. Aquatic animals have gills, fins, and streamlined body. Some birds have webbed feet, and wading birds have long, thin legs. And amphibians have moist skin and lungs as their adaptive feature. And aerial animals like birds have wings, feathers, beaks, and claws as their adaptive features. Assignment for today's session is find answers for choose and fill in the blanks given, and also write scientific terms with their meanings for 5 times. Habitat, adaptation, lungs, gills, streamlined body, and fins. Write these scientific terms with their meanings and definitions for 5 times. Also, don't forget to write answers for the choose and fill in the blanks given already.